Alright, now we're going to do some addition of fractions with unlike denominators. So if you remember when we had like denominators, we just need to add our numerators. Well, with unlike denominators, we first need to find a common denominator. So you gotta find the least common multiple for 3 and 5. Well, 3 and 5 have no common factor, so it would just be 15. So I'm going to multiply this 1/3 by 5 and the 2/5 by 3. So 5 times 1 is 5, 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15. Now I have a common denominator, so I just add my 5 and 6 to give me 11 and keep that common denominator of 15. Alright, next I got 3/4 plus 7/10. So my common denominator between them would be 20. And I know that. I can prove that real quick. So if I factor 4 and 10, 4 would be 2 times 2, 10 would be 2 times 5. So they got a 2 in common. So it would be 2 times 2, which is 4, times 5 is 20. And so this would be times 5, 3/4 would be times 5 to get 20, and 7/10 would be times 2. So 7 times 2 is 14, 5 times 3 is 15. We add these up, 15 plus 14 would be 29 over 20. And then make that a mixed number. 20 will go into 29 once with 9 left over. So it would be 1 and 9/20. Alright, so we got 3 fractions here, 1/5 plus 2/3 plus 5/6. So we have to find the common denominator for all of them. So what I like to do is start with my biggest denominator there of 6 and start doing multiples. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So you look at which ones will go in, 5 will go into. 5 will go into 30. 3 will go into 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Well, the only one that went into both was the 30. So I'm going to make all of these with a denominator of 30. And then you just look what you need to multiply each one by. So 5 times 6 is 30. So 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 10 is 30. So 2 times 10 is 20. And then 6 times 5 is 30. So 5 times 5 is 25. Now we can add these up. So 25 plus 20 is 45, plus 6 is 51. So I get 51 over 30. And 30 will go into 51 one time with 21 left over. So it's 1 and 21 30ths.